Hey you guys, how's it going? Today's video is a collaboration with my good friend Tara. Her channel name is Taradise. She is the sweetest friend that I have met on YouTube. She is a mom to a sweet toddler boy named Slade, and she has another baby on the way. So she's been updating her pregnancy journey on here if you guys are interested in that. She also does lifestyle and healthy living content. Make sure that you subscribe to Tara's channel for more. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anna. If you're new, hi guys, nice to meet you. So today I wanted to show you guys our guest bathroom because pretty soon here we're going to be remodeling it fully and it's gonna be totally different. And since we've only been in this house for about 6 months, so I just thought it would be the perfect time to show you guys the bathroom. And then after it's remodeled and everything, I'll do an after video so you guys can see the before and after for that. So right now I will go ahead and take you in and show you the bathroom. All right, you guys, so here's our bathroom. You can see the beautiful lighting. It is kind of golden in here and it makes you feel like a superstar, right? Okay, not really, but yeah, so here are the lights. It's kind of hard to see. They are the Hollywood style lights. We have this lovely tile top here and it's really disgusting because it is really hard to clean. I got this little tool though and I'm about to use it and try it out, see if I like it. It's like a scrubbing electric head, kind of like a toothbrush, but it's like way big. So. And then I think we're gonna switch these out to like the toggle lights, switch this out because it's super old. And in here, I did a bit of organizing already. As you can tell, it looks really nice. I mean, compared to what it was before, you guys, like, I know, I just kind of threw all this stuff in here, but these bins are like super handy to have. And from the Dollar Tree, they have them a 3-pack for $1. So there you go. And all right, so basically we have the basic shower here. We don't even use this shower, like we've never used it. And I don't think we're gonna plan on it. I think it's just gonna be for guests only. Oh, let me show you this beautiful cabinet. Oh my gosh. So anyhow, yeah, so that's the shower there. And we're gonna change out the fixtures here, the shower head and the handle here. We're gonna switch this out. Right now it's just this fancy little tiny, yeah, it's not good at all. And then the sink is coming out, this whole top is coming out, this whole thing, it's going bye-bye. And then our toilet, we're going to get a new toilet. This one is really small and it's super old. We're gonna get towel bars, we're gonna replace those, replace that toilet paper holder, and we're going to do something here. It's kind of like a weird little nook area. I wanted to get like a piece of wood, cut it out into a triangle shape and stain it like a dark stain. And then I was thinking about doing like maybe one here and one here to do like shelves. I think it would look really cute. So that is the plan for this bathroom here. Hopefully we can get it done really soon. I'm not really, I mean, Eric's gonna be helping me with all of the like demo and installation of the faucet and like hooking up the water and all of that. So that'll be nice. The mirrors, we are going to take this mirror out. Actually, do you see how it's like a raw edge out here? We're gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do actually. Because if we take the raw edge off, like if we put like some kind of a trim piece to make it look like an actual mirror, like, I don't know, I've seen people do that on Pinterest and I'm just kind of like, wow, that looks really good. So I just don't know if we're gonna do that, or maybe, I mean, obviously it's gonna be a lot cheaper, but if we just go to Lowe's, I know they're having some really good sales right now, so I might be able to find like a really nice mirror for like $50 or something like that. I mean, I know $50 is $50, but You guys, I still love this all-purpose cleaner from Method. It is really a good smell. It is like eucalyptus mint, and it works so well for mirrors especially, and also it works for surfaces. So I've been using it on my granite and basically any surface that needs to be cleaned, but it leaves the mirrors so nice and shiny.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave.
Yeah, so even though we don't use the shower down here, there are a ton of fingerprints on it from the kids. They love to go in and out of the shower and play in there, so I'm constantly telling them not to do that. I just don't want them to get hurt, you know, they can slip and fall. But yeah, so the shower is in really great condition, so we're not planning on changing it out except for the valves that I talked about, the handle and the shower head, and then the faucet. We're gonna get rid of that, and hopefully we'll be doing this really soon in the next week or so, and I'm so excited about that.
Can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we all
I like to keep a roll of paper towels underneath the sink in the bathroom, and I like to keep my vinegar water solution. It's just 50% vinegar and 50% water, and maybe a little bit heavier on the vinegar. But I love to keep that in there because sometimes when I'm like really busy, but I notice, oh, the toilet looks a little grungy, you know, I just quickly grab that and I clean it in like 1 minute. This is on like days where I'm not doing a full cleaning of the bathroom, but I just want the toilet to be clean, like if someone may be coming over or something like that.
I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
So I've been finding that in the mornings we have been using this bathroom downstairs so we can quickly get ready because I have 4 little ones and sometimes they forget to brush their teeth upstairs. So I've been keeping like their toothbrushes and toothpaste down here just so we can make sure they do brush their teeth in the morning, and they don't have to run back upstairs and then they end up getting like distracted and start playing up there. But anyhow, so this tool that I'm using right now, it ended up working really well. So the grout here gets really dirty. You know, tile countertops are just not the greatest invention ever, and yeah, so you have to have some scrubbing action, and I only used my Method cleaner on this and the brush head, and it seemed to do a really good job. But I feel like if I would have used like a bleach or like a Lysol with bleach or something like that, I think it would have gotten it a lot whiter and brighter. And this is the first time that I used a brush, but overall I think it did a really good job. You guys make sure you don't forget about your light switches and outlet covers because those tend to get very grimy and dirty, especially with little fingers touching them every day. So I needed to spruce up this area behind the toilet a little bit because it was just so drab and nothing exciting going on back there. So I went ahead and put that cute little vase and the cherry blossom branches. I got those from Home Goods a few years ago. And then I also have a little tray that I saved from Christmas. Believe it or not, it was like some goodie basket that we got with like pretzels and all that. And it turned out great. I saved it and added some candles here and some wash towels and tissues. And it looks so cute. Well, you guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you again so much for watching. I appreciate all of you guys. And I hope that you have the best day ever. And I will see you guys here on the next one. Bye.